Joyce, the owner of Perfectly Bare Laser. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what to expect whenever you come in for laser hair removal and what the journey looks like. So what we do is we ask you to shave the day before so that the hair is short but the area isn't newly irritated. I know some people that have a lot of problems with ingrowns and irritations. They say, oh, I hate to shave. We just need you to shave the day before so that that hair is super short, and then you'll be perfectly fine. So you won't have to shave again until you come back in week 5 or 6. So you shave the day before you come in, whatever you want off. You come in for the treatment, and at that time we will do whatever areas you want to do. You can sign up for 1 area, 2 areas, 5 areas, whatever you want to do. Just let us know so we can schedule the timing appropriately. As far as during the treatment, our devices are FDA approved for all skin types and tan skin. So it doesn't really matter what skin type you have, we can treat you here, and it's not going to be painful. We say that our laser is virtually pain-free. You just feel a little pulley, tweezy sensation, and that's about it. Maybe a little bit more discomfort on the Brazilian area just because it's super tender and a lot of nerve endings, but in general, very little feeling at all. It's in motion technology, so I always explain it on the underarms, what it's like. The underarms are very small, so it takes less than a minute to do the underarm. First, we just put some ultrasound gel on, and what that gel is for is for slippage so that we can move around the wand. After we put the gel on, they put the tip on you and start firing the laser. The laser at first feels very cold because the tip is cooling your skin to protect it. And then you'll start feeling like a little tweezy, pulley sensation, and that's the laser penetrating down into the follicle. So you want to feel that. Then you'll feel that sensation for about 20-30 seconds, and then they're done. So again, the underarms take less than a minute for sure. Brazilian maybe about 5 or so, and depending on how big you are, the legs could take 10 to 20 minutes or so. After you're done with your treatment, the hair will be dead and it just needs to shed out. So it'll look like it's growing super slowly, but it's just shedding. So it's just very, very little growth that will be popping out of the follicle in the next 10 days. So if you don't want to shave, that's perfectly fine. If you feel like shaving because you're going out to the beach or something like that, you can always shave during this time when it's shedding, but not necessary. And again, especially if you're getting irritations, you don't want to irritate it anymore. After that 10 days or so, the hairs will shed out, and then you'll have a good 3.5 weeks for the face and 4.5 weeks for the rest of the body before you'll get any more hair growth. And once that hair starts coming back in, that's when you're due to come in for your visit. So it's every 5 weeks for the face and every 6 weeks for the rest of the body. Again, just like you did at the beginning, you can just shave the day before so that the hair is short, and then you'll be ready for your laser. As far as the amount of treatments it takes, it could be 8 to 12 as an average. Everybody's a little different, and every body part is different. So it just depends, especially hormonal areas like the face and the bikini area, and part of the men's back is hormonal. So it may take a little longer, or it may take a few touch-ups periodically to keep it under control. So that's the whole process with laser hair removal. If you check out our website, which is Perfectly Bare Laser, we have a great blog area that answers all kinds of questions: how to prepare, what to expect, sun exposure, how many treatments you may need, all those things that it's important for you to know before coming in. So check out Perfectly Bare Laser, and just text or call us if you're wanting to make an appointment for the laser hair removal.